How to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to connect Roblox on Nintendo Switch. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, in order to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch, address network settings. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Internet. Then click Internet Settings. You have to choose your Wi-Fi connection and click Change Settings. After that, you need to find DNS settings and switch from automatic to manual. Then set the primary DNS to 045.055.142.122. Here is how. Delete the current values by pressing the B button and input the numbers pressing the dot as needed. Now save the changes and return to the Internet Settings menu. After that, you need to click Connect to this network. If you see a message saying restrictions or registration is required, click Next. This is perfectly normal. When prompted, select Continue to Google and once on the Google page, use the search bar to type Roblox. Select the first search result, which should be roblox.com. From here, you can log in or register for a Roblox account directly on your Nintendo Switch. And that's it. You are now ready to explore Roblox on your Switch. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.